News 8 is your local election headquarters. Today, we're going to take a look at the race for Rochester City Court judge. Whoever wins next Tuesday's Democratic primary in this race will likely win the seat in November. So it's an important one. The race made all the more notable by one of the candidates in it. After Lovely Warren resigned as Rochester mayor in 2021 as part of a plea deal in which she admitted to violating election law, it was unclear whether she'd ever resurface in the political arena. The answer, as we learned this year, was yes. Kind of. She's running to fill a soon-to-be vacant seat in the Rochester City Court, a job that comes with a 10-year term. But she has a challenger in criminal attorney Michael Geraci.
I am born and raised here in Rochester.
Geraci is a familiar face in City Court, representing clients there for a dozen years.
The judges there primarily handle criminal matters, including misdemeanors that arise anywhere in the city. They handle landlord-tenant matters, small claims and civil matters up to a certain jurisdiction. And more recently, parole matters started coming before city court judges. And in my career, I've had experience practicing in all those different areas, and I would really hope to bring that experience to the bench if I'm fortunate enough to be elected.
Geraci is the Dems' designated candidate, and the Greater Rochester Association of Women Attorneys rated him as well qualified for the position, while for Warren, the group said not recommended for refusal to participate in the evaluation process. Warren also said no to an interview for this story. When she announced her candidacy, she said in a Facebook post, quote, "I have made my share of mistakes, and as part of that, there are many things that I regret, but all of that has made me a better person, better mom, and able to relate to victims and make sure the scales of justice balance for all." But Geraci goes back to what he sees as a need for courtroom experience.
I've spent really almost every single day of my career practicing in Rochester City Court, practicing law down here in the Four Corners in this city. And the only thing I would say is that in that time, I have not seen my opponent practicing law in that courthouse.
Again, primary day is next Tuesday, but early voting is already underway. For more election coverage, go to rochesterfirst.com.